Hi, my name is Dawn Dubois and I'm an exercise physiologist at St. Luke's Hospital. I'm part of the community outreach team. I'm glad you're joining me today for a little session I like to call Yoga to Go. We all know that yoga is great for stretching, strengthening, for creating focus and restoring your mind and body together, but we don't always have the time for it. So today we're going to do a little yoga to go, and all you will need is a chair that does not have rollers. Let's get started. Okay, so now that we're ready to get started, you have your chair without rollers. The first move we'll look at is the cat-cow. And I know this probably sounds familiar if you've done yoga on the floor, but you can also do the cat-cow in your chair. So what we're going to work on here is rolling forward and lifting that back for the cat, arching your back, and then also arching back the opposite direction for the cow, really lifting that chest and sternum up. And let's do another cat. Reaching forward, stretching through that back, dropping your chin down, and then lifting back up, letting that chest shine forward, chin is up for the cow. You can do this multiple times, and when you're ready to move to the next one, we'll start that. And that is the raised hand or the mountain pose. You'll see my feet are about shoulder width apart, nicely planted. My posture is up, and we're just going to lift those arms to the side, way as tall as you can reach, high up the mountain, fingers to the sky. Your chin is slightly lifted, your chest is lifted, but your shoulders relaxed, and you're planted firmly in your chair, lifting equally on both sides. Breathing, nice and rhythmical, stretching, and when you are ready to release, those hands are just going to rain down back to the thighs. That's a move that you can hold about 20 to 30 seconds up in the air, and when you're ready for the next, we'll go straight into the forward fold. So with the forward fold, the feet are going to come a little closer together, and we're going to nice flat back, letting that body fall onto the knees, hands coming down, and your head is looking behind you. From the side, it would look something like this. Good breathing, chin is tucked, and nice hold and stretch. Breathing is easy, and when you are ready to lift, it's a nice slow roll from each vertebra back up to the seated position. Perfect. This can be repeated as many times as you like as we move on to the next, which is the extended side angle or triangle if you've done some yoga on the floor. With your feet together, posture good. We're going to go to both sides so you can choose where to start. I'm going to start with my right hand dropping down to my left and my left arm extending as tall as I can reach. You'll notice that the breathing should be rhythmical. Your neck is just an extension of your spine. Shouldn't be up, shouldn't be down, just a nice extension of your spine as you stretch through that twist of the side body. After a 20-second hold or so, you're ready to relax, dropping that top arm, coming back to the center position. And we'll try the other side. Left hand coming down the body, the right hand extending all the way to the sky, dropping as close to the floor as you can. Nice rhythmical breathing. Big stretch through the side body. Your neck is an extension of your spine. And when you're ready to relax, drop that top arm and lift very slowly back up to center. After a few repetitions on that triangle and you're ready to move on, we can come to the pigeon chair. And with that one ankle is crossed over the knee of the other, and the goal here is relaxation. Just trying to let that knee come down. If you are up here, that's okay. We'll start where you are. Know that the goal is to get that leg to come down. A little bit of pressure is okay. Nothing should be painful, but a stretch is good. Trying to relax. Notice your posture needs to stay upright. If your posture comes back here, that's okay. We prefer to see up even if you can't drop that leg down. Try not to alter the good posture. Nice, easy breathing. Chin is elevated, posture is good. And after your hold and you're ready to move on, we'll try the other leg. Drop that leg down and let's cross the opposite over. Your ankle is resting over your knee. Your posture remains upright. Your chin is up, lifted, eyes are lifted. If you need a little pressure on that knee, that's okay. And remember, don't sacrifice good posture for a stretch. So if your posture is here, that's okay. Try to sit up straight and we'll worry about that knee later. After a nice long hold with easy breathing and relaxation through the shoulders, we're going to go ahead and try the next move, which is an eagle. So on the floor, this is very difficult. It's a one-legged stand. In the chair, we get a little bit of help because we're going to cross our legs over one another. That can be difficult in itself. And then we'll also do the arms. So the arms will come out straight and then they wrap around each other. And you'll notice that I try to keep my shoulders right in front of my face, so they're right in line. Don't want to be down too low, don't want to be up too high, right across. Good posture, good breathing, and you should really feel this through the mid-shoulders, upper back, in a nice way. When you're ready to relax, untwist those hands, untwist the legs, and we're ready for the other side. Other leg over the top. If you need a little bit of help, that's okay. Good straight posture. And this time, those arms switch. Opposite hand on top, lifting about shoulder height. Good posture, good breathing, chin is up. Okay, and as you are ready to unfold, we'll just unwrap the arms first, the legs second. Good straight posture, and we're ready to move on to our next move, which is the chair spinal twist. So where you're seated, you're just going to turn to the side. Good straight posture again, feet flat, nice line to the body. We're going to take the back of the chair and give it a nice pull, letting your head and your chin follow. Good, easy breathing with your knees facing forward. And the idea here is not how far you can twist, but lifting your body up, creating space through your vertebra, and then with a twist. So it's not about how far you go, but about the elevation and how that twist feels. When you're ready to relax, let the hands go, come back to a resting spot, and we can try the other side. Start with good posture, feet flat to the floor, grabbing the back of the chair. We're going to twist with an elevated upright posture, turning, letting that head follow through. Good breathing, relaxing in the shoulders. And as we relax and come forward, we're back for the next move. The next two we'll try are the warriors 1 and 2. You've probably done these on the floor, but we're going to try them in the chair. So for warrior 1, let's bring one leg over the chair, the second out. Good straight posture. We're gonna turn forward and lift. This is a great stretch to do throughout the day, especially if you've been seated for a while. You can really feel this through the side body, through the shoulders, through the hips, the legs. Wonderful stretch. Good posture, arms are lifted and elevated. You're deeply rooted in your chair, your chin is lifted, you're twisting on your frame. And when you're ready for warrior two, you're gonna open up the other direction. Nice work, good breathing, good stretch, good relaxation. And let's try the other side. So coming back together, starting in a good straight posture. Gonna let the right leg come over the chair this time. The left leg extending back as we are ready to move into our warrior one position. Good breathing, shoulders down, relaxed. Body is lifting as tall as you can, chin is somewhat lifted. You can hold this pose as long as you like, 15, 20 seconds. And then we'll open up into warrior two. Good stretch, good lifting through that body. Good breathing, posture. When you're ready to relax, those hands can come down and we'll release that posture back to the center. And we'll finish up with just a little bit of relaxation and restoration. With good posture, palms up, body lifted. You're welcome to close your eyes if you'd like. This is the spot where we relax, we scan the body, take inventory, focus on our breathing. If you have some time to stay here, please do. This is your time to relax and restore. And when you need to go, that's okay too. Thank you for joining me today. For more videos like these, visit our website. And remember, our specialty is you.